Good morning, Diane. What are we making here?
We're making an apple cake.
Sure, I'm good with that. Aren't you?
Yes.
What's in it?
Salt,
1/2 teaspoon.
baking soda,
1 teaspoon.
nutmeg,
1/2 teaspoon.
cinnamon,
1 teaspoon.
egg,
1 egg head.
apple, 3 apples,
3 apples, chopped up or minced or a combination.
The flour,
1 cup.
sugar,
1 cup.
and oil.
And the oil is only going to be 1/4 of a cup because there is so much liquid in the apple, and the apple is a natural substitute for oil. So keep that in the back of your memory bank. Let's finish this guy up because you're not quite done. So
Okay.
let's pour that in.
Okay.
And you have your baking dish already prepared. It's a 5x8, about a 5x8. And it's been sprayed, it has been sprayed with some Pam so it doesn't stick. You want to finish stirring that up?
Okay.
Alright, that looks good. So I'm going to hold this and you are going to scrape away with the spatula. And let's move that a little bit closer. Even when it's not baked, it smells amazing.
Get all of that.
Well, we'll get most of it because I like to beat everybody to the
Hey,
kitchen
come
and
on.
finish off the licking of the batter bowl and the spatula and the spoon. That looks good. All right, let's put that aside and that one too. And let's make sure this is all centered in. Just in case, we're going to put another little dish or tray underneath of it so it does not overflow. Sometimes it likes to do that. Depends on where you are in the U.S., at what altitude. So away it goes. So that went into a preheated oven at 350, and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. But when you start smelling it, go and check through your window and see if it's done. Not everybody's ovens bake the same. You made one up earlier, didn't you? You want to show them what it looks like?
Looks like this.
Wow, that's amazing. Ice cream or whipped cream or just a spoon. I'm ready to eat. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.